Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. Our first question, minus 4 all raised to 5 divided by minus 4 all raised to 8. A raised to m divided by a raised to n form, no? We can see here equal bases, right? Minus 4. Exponents are different. So we can have here exponential law a raised to m divided by a raised to n form equals minus 4 all raised to 5 minus 8, right? Equals minus 4 all raised to minus 3. Our answer is ready, but here we should express the result in power notation with a positive exponent. We can have here our exponential law a raised to minus n equal to 1 by a raised to positive n. Okay, children? Also equals 1 by minus 4 raised to positive 3. Positive exponent. Right? Is it clear, children? Next question. 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 7 raised to minus 3. Listen, children. Here, exponents are equal, but bases are different. Okay? So, we can have here a raised to m into b raised to m equals a into b all raised to m exponential law, right? Here a 2, b minus 7 and m minus 3. So this is also equals 2 into minus 7 a into b all raised to m minus 3, no? Equals 2 into minus 7 minus 14 all raised to minus 3. Answer is ready, but we should express the result in power notation with the positive exponent. So this is also equals 1 by minus 14 all raised to positive 3. Okay, now we have 2 raised to 10 divided by 2 raised to 15. Here we can have a raised to m divided by a raised to n form. Bases are equal. Equal bases we can see here, right? So this is equals 2 raised to 10 divided by 2 raised to 15 equals 2 raised to 10 minus 15, right? 2 raised to minus 5 also equals 1 by 2 raised to positive 5, no? Is it clear, children? You can see here positive exponent. 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 equals 3 raised to minus 7 minus 10, no? A here 3, m minus 7, n minus 10, m minus n, no? So equals 3 raised to minus 7 plus 10. Answer becomes 3 raised to 3. Okay? Now we have 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. Here we can see one bracket. First we should simplify inside the bracket, right? Here 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10. A raised to m divided by a raised to n form, no? Equals 3 raised to minus 7 minus 10. A here 3, m minus 7, n minus 10 equals 3 raised to minus 7 plus 10 equal to 3 raised to plus 3. Okay? Into 3 raised to minus 5. Now we have a raised to m into a raised to n form. Okay? Equal to 3 raised to 3 plus minus 5. 3 raised to 3 plus minus 5 equals 3 raised to minus 2, no? Yes. Here we have minus exponent. So we should convert this negative exponent into a positive exponent. How, children? Yes, also equals 1 by 3 raised to positive 2. Final answer becomes 1 by 3 raised to positive 2. Simplify 25 into t raised to minus 4 all divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 125 into minus 8. Listen, children, here to simplify this, first we should check whether there are any number form. Listen, children, in this question we can see two numbers, 25, 125. First we should convert 25 and 125 into an exponential form. Prime factorization familiar, no? See, children, this is also equals 25 equals 5 into 5, no? Into t raised to minus 4, right? All divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into, what about 125? S. 5 into 5 into 5 into t raised to minus 8. Listen, children, next step, 5 into 5. 5 raised to 2, no? Into t raised to minus 4. All divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 5 raised to positive 3, no? 5 3 times into t raised to minus 8. Now we have only exponential forms here. Next we have to check bases. Here 5, 5, 5. Prime bases, right? If there is any composite base, you should convert into prime base. Here no need further change. Why? Because here we have only prime bases, right? Now I am going to rewrite. Listen, children. 5 square divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 5 raised to positive 3. Okay? Listen. First bracket is ready, then into t raised to minus 4 divided by t raised to minus 8. Is it clear, children? Now I am going to simplify first bracket. 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 5 raised to 3. How much, children? A raised to m into, yes, a raised to n form, no? So 5 raised to minus 3 plus 3. Okay? Into, what about here? A raised to m by a raised to n form, no? Bases are equal, right? So t raised to minus 4 minus minus 8. A here t. M minus 4, n minus 8. Is it clear, children? Also equals 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 plus 3, 0, right? Into t raised to minus 4 minus minus 8. Minus 4, how much, children? Minus 4 plus 8, no? Final answer becomes t raised to positive 4, right? Minus 4 plus 8, positive 4. 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 0 also equals 5 raised to 2 by 1. Here exponent is 0, no? Answer becomes 1, right? Into t raised to 4. Also equals 5 raised to 2 into t raised to 4. Is it clear, children? Or simplify 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125. All divided by 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. In this type of question, first we should convert number form into an exponential form. Okay, here we can see 125, right? Listen, children, next step becomes 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into, what about 125? 5 into 5 into 5, right? all divided by 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5, right? This is also equals 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 5 3 times, right? So 5 raised to 3 all divided by 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. Now we have to convert composite bases into prime base. See children, here we can see composite base 10, 6, right? First we have to convert into prime base. Listen children, also equals 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 equals 2 into 5, right? All raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to 3, right? All divided by 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 composite number, no? 6 equals 2 into 3 all raised to minus 5. Okay? Also equals 3 raised to minus 5 into here a into b all raised to m form, no? So we can split 2 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to minus 5, okay, into 5 raised to 3 all divided by, see children, 5 raised to minus 7 into, here also a into b all raised to m form, a2 b3 m minus 5. So 2 raised to minus 5 into 3 raised to minus 5. We can see here different bases 3, 2, 5, right? I am going to rearrange 3 raised to minus 5 divided by 3 raised to minus 5, okay, into, in second bracket, 2 raised to minus 5 divided by 2 raised to minus 5. In third bracket, into 3 raised to minus 5, 3 raised to minus 5, 2 raised to minus 5, 2 raised to minus 5. Left over here, 5 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to 3 all divided by 5 raised to minus 7. Okay? This is equals, listen children, here we can see 3 brackets. First we have to simplify first bracket. Here we can see a raised to m divided by a raised to n form, right? A raised to m divided by a raised to n equals a raised to m minus n, you know. Here a 3, m minus 5, minus n also equals minus 5. Into second bracket, here also we have a raised to m divided by a raised to n form equals 2 raised to minus 5 minus minus 5, right? Into third bracket, here a raised to m into a raised to n form, no? What about a raised to m into a raised to n? Yes, a raised to m plus n, 5 raised to minus 5 plus 3 divided by 5 raised to minus 7, no children? 5 raised to minus 7 also equals, listen carefully children, 3 raised to minus 5 plus 5 into 2 raised to minus 5 plus 5 into 5 raised to minus 5 plus 3, how much children? Yes, minus 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 7. This is also equals, listen children, 3 raised to minus 5 plus 5, 3 raised to 0, right? Into 2 raised to minus 5 plus 5 also equals 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to minus 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 7 equals 5 raised to minus 2 minus minus 7. Okay? Clear, no? Also equals 3 raised to 0, 1 into 2 raised to 0 also equals 1, right? Into 5 raised to minus 2 plus 7, no? Also equals 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 into 5 raised to minus 2 plus 7 answer, final answer becomes 5 raised to, how much children? Yes, 5 raised to positive 5. Minus 2 plus 7, answer becomes plus 5. So final answer we have here 5 raised to 5. Okay, clear, no? Find the value of m for which 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 equals 5 raised to 5. From this question we have to find value of m. Okay, see children, here LHS 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3, right? RHS 5 raised to 5 raised to 5. Okay, now listen, this is also equals 5 raised to m minus 3, no? Equals 5 raised to 5. Also equals 5 raised to m plus 3 equals 5 raised to 5. Okay, listen children, here on LHS we can see 1 term, on RHS also 1 term. Here a base of LHS 5, no? Base of RHS also 5. Here bases are equal, so we can equate exponents to get the value of m. Listen children, from this step we can write here m plus 3 equals 5. m plus 3 equals 5. ഇവിടെ ബേസുകൾ തമ്മിൽ ഈക്വൽ ആണല്ലോ, അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പോണൻസിനെ ഇക്വേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. m plus 3 equals 5. Then m equals how much children? 5 minus 3 equals how much? Yes, positive 2. Okay.